So now let's see how one can access shared links shared out from Microsoft Whiteboard. So for that, I'm going to go around onto the top right, click on the share button right here, and then I'm going to turn the web sharing link on right here, just like this. So the sharing link is generated. So once it is generated, I'm going to copy out the link. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and drag in this web browser that I have right here. So if I were to go around and then right click and paste it out and press enter, what happens is that you get this option right here. So you have the option to view the content directly on the web, open it up in app, or download the app right here. So now I want to open this up in app. So for that, the viewer should have the app that is Microsoft Whiteboard installed on their computer as well. So I have it on mine, so let me just click on open an app, and it says the site is trying to open Microsoft Whiteboard. So I'm just going to give it permission and say open. So once I do that, it says opening right there. Then this is what you see, and this is the view roster right here, and you're able to see that this is someone else's document, just like this. And that is how you can access shared links inside of Microsoft Whiteboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.